Good morning, welcome to Visual Fitness and day 7 of the Fit 66 challenge. If you're just coming in on this video and you have no idea what I'm talking about, I have the entire Fit 66 playlist down below in the bio description. My name is Annette and that head right there is Winston. So today we're just going to be doing a general cool down. This is going to be kind of reflective of the warm-up we did the other day where it's just kind of general moves. We're going to cool down, stretch, and relax pretty much every part of the body. Integrate this into any workout that you're doing. Now, much like the warm-ups that we did in the last workout video, I'm gonna kind of let you know that some of my workouts that are coming up within this series do include a cool down. So you won't necessarily need to add one on if you're following along with my videos in particular, but the ones that don't have one, or if you're following a different workout program, you can easily add this on and it should pertain to pretty much any workout you're doing. So you are going to need a mat, and we're going to start in a standing position. We're just going to do some shoulder stretches. So we're going to start on one side, pull, twist your wrist out if you need to. Exhale and let down, and then you're going to pull your other arm out. Do the same thing, stretch your shoulder. Relax or work out your wrist. Take some deep breaths while you're doing this and try to get a deeper stretch. Go. You can shake it out if you need to. Now we're going to do a tricep stretch. So lift one arm up behind your head, grab your elbow, and pull back and down. Inhale to all these stretches to get a nice deep pull. And let go. Other arm, same thing, up, bend, grab your shoulder. Deep breath, pull back and down. And release. Next we're going to do some chest openers. Arms out, palms facing away. Pull your elbows back, pull until you can feel it in your chest and in your shoulders. You might even be able to feel it in your arms. You don't want to totally strain, but if you can pull your shoulder blades together, that will get you the best stretch everywhere. Push out. Push your shoulder blades away. It's all in the shoulder blades with this stretch. And back. Out. Inhale as you pull back. Exhale and push forward. You want to add a little more to this, so when you pull back, you can put your head up, get a little more of a stretch in the front chest. And push out. Shake it out. Sometimes you can really feel that one in the arms or in the elbow joints. Now we're getting into it, so you're going to put your feet shoulder width apart. Slight bend in the knees. Make sure you don't collapse. And And then we're gonna go into an overhead stretch. Look up, up, up at your hands. Get as much pull in the front body as you can. Deep breaths. Now we're going to slowly lower inch by inch down into a forward hold. And we're going to hold this for about 30 seconds. You can walk it out in your knees. Grab your elbows, stretch down and sway. Work everything out in your back. Head relaxed. Now we're going to walk the hands forward, palms down, and push the feet back into downward dog. Again, you can walk it out if that's what you feel like you need to do. Push back into those heels. Now we're going to come down to all fours. Start with flat back. Now we're going to do some cat-cows. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale. Push that belly out. I personally love doing cat-cows. I really need the mid-back stretch. So if you're one of those people, feel free to do this as many times as you need. You can always rewind the video and pick up. So now we're going to push back, come down onto your bum, and we're going to do a bit of a butterfly sit. Feet together, knees out, and just pull in at your ankles or your toes, wherever's more comfortable. Hello. Say hi to your dog. Keep your back straight, and you can kind of rock around in this position too. Get that extra stretch in your hip. And if you're still working on your flexibility and you can only get your feet to about here, that's just fine. Put them wherever it's comfortable, wherever you can reach. If it hurts, don't do it. And come forward, put your head down, bounce those knees, whatever feels good for you. Alright, now we're going to put the left leg out, pull the right in. Again, only go as far as your flexibility will allow. Reach out, grab your toe or your ankle or your knee, and bring the arm up into a full toe grab side stretch. Breathe into it and feel the pull in the side of your back all the way up. Come back, switch your legs. Ooh, this leg's less stretchy today. Grab where you can and breathe into a side stretch. We're gonna go back into butterfly sit. Can you tell this is one of my favorites? Feet together, knees out. Stretch however feels good for you. Whether that's pulling forward, pushing back. Use your elbows to push your knees down for a better hip stretch. I'm going to put myself on a bit of an angle here so that you can see, but we're going to be laying back, and then you're going to bring one leg up and bring it in to a thigh hug. And you can keep your leg completely straight if you want to get a full leg stretch, or you can bend and just get that stretch all the way in here. So then we're going to lower this leg down to the ground. Lift your other leg up. This one's a little tight for me. And pull back into a nice little leg hug. Now we're going to lower that leg back down and keeping your right leg planted down on the floor. Lift your left, arms down at your side, and then we're going to do a recline twist to the right. Deep breaths, try to get deep into that stretch. Try not to lift your upper back as much as you can. And just fall into it. Roll back to center. Straighten out that left leg. Plant it down on the ground and then lift up your right. Bend at the knee and roll your lower half to the left. To the left, to the left. Again, breathing into those stretches. Trying to get as far into a stretch as you can without lifting your upper back off of the mat. back to center. Lift your legs up. And we're going to go into a happy baby. Get a good deep stretch in those hips. You can get a rock going. Massage that back. Pull the feet apart. Nice deep stretches. Inhale. Exhale. You can use your hands to push down on your feet and get a much deeper stretch. So from here, you're going to just lower your legs back to the ground. Hands on the floor beside you. Relax your feet. Relax everything. And we're going to just lay in corpse pose for as long as you need. Once you feel you have to get up, shift your bum and slowly roll over onto your side, pushing back up to a seated position, and just, let all that blood come back to your head. I hope you enjoyed this cool down. Congratulations again on making it to day 7. Feel free to come back to this video anytime you need a just relaxing cool down. A couple good stretches. Nice quick little stretch session. We'll see you tomorrow.